Oh, what a rush, is it real? What a ride. Come take the journey of love by my side. Round and round goes the wheel of love. Some say like Russian roulette. Now there's a jackpot I'm dreaming of. I'm ready to place my bet. There's no need to beg, steal, or borrow. The future is looking bright. Yes, I'm laying odds on tomorrow. So let's start tomorrow. Come on, baby, let's start tomorrow. Tonight, let's start tonight.
Thank you so much. We are so excited to be here. This is our favorite place to be. Every year is the Labor Day Jamboree.
Yay!
And so I'm going to stand up here and
Yes, you are.
talk to you.
Again.
And here's Carter again. Carter, every time, and I'm talking,
Yes.
and you're here. And
It's good.
it's not good for me.
It's a what?
It's not good for me.
It's not good for you?
I'd like to talk and you not talk. And
Talk, not talk.
no, I'm going to talk, you not talk.
I'm going to talk,
No,
you
no,
not talk.
no.
Oh,
I talk, you not talk.
I
talk. I'm talking, Carter.
I'm
Carter.
talking, Carter. Oh, no.
I'm talking.
I'm talking.
I'm talking.
I'm
talking now.
Now. That's good vowel work.
Just talk.
Now. That's good. What did I do? Okay, I'm going to talk right now because I met up with an old boyfriend this weekend. He's really cute.
Talking about him and talking about him and talking about him and
Yak, yak, will she ever stop? His eyes, his nose, his fingers, his toes, his smile when he says please, and when he sneezes, his sneeze, his arms, chest, coat, vest, 'cause everything is sweeter than sweet. I try, but honest to Pete, I can't stop talking about him and talking about him and talking about him. I can't stop talking about the man that I adore. I can't stop talking about him, talking about him, talking about him. I can't stop talking about him, although I seem a bore. Can't stop hollering about him and telling about him and yelling about him. I can't stop telling about the moment that we met. He wore a Speedo. What do you call a beautiful smile, a barrel of muscles? I can't stop talking about him yet. He kissed me and a bell went bong, whistle went woo, trap door open and I flipped right through, and now I can't stop talking about him and talking about him and talking about him. And if he was yours, well, neither would you. What to do? Please stop talking about him and talking about him and talking about him. I can't stop talking about him and talking about him and talking about him. Then don't stop talking about him and talking about him and talking about him. I won't stop talking about him and talking about him. I can't stop talking about him, talking about him, and talking about him. I can't stop talking about the man that I adore. Can't stop talking about him and talking about him, talking about him. Can't stop talking about him, although I seem a bore. Can't stop hollering about him and telling about him, yelling about him. Can't stop telling about the moment that we met. He wore a Speedo. What do you call a beautiful smile of barrel muscles? I can't stop talking about him yet. He gets me out of bell went bong, whistle went woo, trap door open and I flip right through, and now I can't stop talking about him, talking about him, talking about him. And if he was yours, well, neither would you. Neither would you. Stop talking about him, talking about him, talking about him, and talking about him until your face turns blue. Oh, talking about him, talking about him, talking about him, talking about him all day. Talk.
Oh, okay. Back in 1953, this young gentleman by the name of Frank Sinatra took this next song and wrote it up to the top of the charts. Within 2 weeks, It was a huge success, kind of drizzled away. And then again in 2014, there was a gentleman by the name of David Letterman who had his final show, and he had a gentleman by the name of Bob Dylan who came and sang the same song. And once again, in through iTunes, what, Carter? What?
Bob Dylan?
Yeah, Bob Dylan.
He's
Carter.
that cute guy, isn't he?
Maybe to somebody, maybe his mother's, I don't know, maybe. A face a mother could love. I don't know what to tell you about that. Or Carter could love. Maybe a face Carter could love. I guess so.
If you wore a Speedo.
Oh, if he wore a Speedo. Oh, oh. Woo. Anyway, Bob Dylan did make this song extremely popular again. We have a mutual friend by the name of Ruby Ray that's all touched our lives in one way or another, yeah? And so she took the same song and arranged it for us a cappella lovers, and I think you'll really enjoy this one.
The sun didn't rise with the dawn, the night. We called it a day. There was a moon out in space, but a cloud drifted over his face. You kissed me and went on your way. That night we called it a day. I heard the song of the sea, like a minor lament in my ear. I hadn't the heart left to break, That night we called it a day. Soft through the dark, the hoot of an owl in the sky. Sad though his song, no bluer was he than I. The moon went down, stars were gone, but the sun didn't rise with the dawn. There wasn't a thing left to say. The night we called it a day. The night we called it a day. The night we called it a day. We called it a
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We're very excited to be here tonight because, well, we've come back with a new part of our costume this year that we didn't have before, and we're real.
Yes. I have a new shirt. Yes, you do too.
Yeah, the shirts are new, but that's not what I was talking about. I was talking about something else new that we have that we didn't have last time we were here, and
We
I'm
have
really-
new shoes.
We have new shoes, yes. But that's not what I was talking about.
I have new nail polish.
No.
No.
I was talking about something different. Something
Our
different.
haircuts.
Not our haircuts, Carter.
No?
No, not
No.
our haircuts.
No.
I'm talking about something else this time.
Okay.
I'm talking about our crowns. Our crowns, Carter.
Oh,
We got new crowns. We got crowns, Carter. We got crowns. We
Yes.
got crowns.
Yes.
And blood pressure medicine.
True. Oh gosh, isn't that true? Woo! Good one, Debbie. Good one.
And a new song. We have a new song too. Here it is.
Okay, wait.
Wait, I gotta breathe after that one,
Okay. Wait.
You guys should repeat that.
Wax on.
Sound
Paint the fence. Sand the floor. Sand the floor.
That was a movie from a long time ago.
Huh?
That's good. We're good.
Okay.
Vision's not the reason that I skipped out of school. Swimming holes weren't that cool, 'cause I'm no swimming fool. Teacher said I'm stupid, but I knew she was wrong. 'Cause if she taught me my way, it wouldn't take me long. Could have learned my ABCs, brought home A's instead of D's, and my mom and dad I please, rhythm in my nursery rhymes.
In a corner on a stool, I said 'cause I broke a rule. I could have shown them I'm no fool if I had rhythm in my nursery rhymes. Tra-la-la-la-la was not my thing. I was always thinking if I had just a little bit of rhythm, I could be a Washington.
Or a Lincoln. Jack and Jill went up a hill, hoping not to take a spill. Never gave me much a thrill. Rhythm in my nursery rhymes. But now I've learned my ABCs. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. ABC. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, or simple as do, re, mi, and ABC. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me. Teacher's gonna show you how I said how to get an A. You had the 2. Listen to me, baby, that's all you gotta do. ABC. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, or simple as do, re, mi, and ABC. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me. Those school days, tra-la-la-la, was not my thing. Back then I was thinking, if I had just a little bit of rhythm, I could be a Washington or a Lincoln. Mary had a little lamb. They got into quite a jam. I needed rhythm in my nursery. Rhythm in my nursery. Those nursery rhymes. Rhythm in my nursery rhymes. Bop.
Well,
I think she's flirting with the next guy.
she is. She's flirting with the next guy down there. We're having a great weekend. We have reconnected with many friends from years past. You guys reacquaint yourselves every year for this amazing event. I gotta tell you, this is very, very special. This is a really special barbershop weekend, and it's not just special here for us, but there's people all over the country that wish that they could be LDJ, LBJ, LMNOP, I don't know what I'm LDJ. LDJ. Anyway, so thank you so much for having us on the show tonight. We've just really had a lot of fun connecting with everybody. We are looking forward to tomorrow by the pool. And we got one more song for you.
Yeah. It's on our new album, by the way.
Oh, yes.
Coming out.
New album.
New CD going up soon. That's new too, Carter. And now a tender ballad.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, we're gonna do that. I don't know. Which one? Bend down.
Here we go.
How long must a weary heart go on searching, hoping, dreaming, dreaming? It's over now. You walk away after goodbye. There's nothing left to say. How could I miss by so much? Did I finally lose my touch? Or simply lose my way? Next time, my love, won't be too soon. Next time I fall, I'll fall beneath a kind moon. And should that moon turn cold and fade away, I'll feel the chill, but still I'll stay. Next time I love, a little prayer, some compromise, time to grow a little wise. And should he ask me for more, will I foolishly close the door, or simply close my eyes? Next time my love won't be too soon. Next time I fall, I'll fall beneath a kind moon. And should that moon turn cold and fade away, I'll feel the chill, but still I'll stay. Next time I love, next time I dance, next time I fall, will these old feelings stand a chance?